Filipino rituals and ceremonies covering all regions of the Philippines. The first one is pagmamano, honoring gesture used in Filipino culture performed as a sign of respect to elders and as a way of requesting a blessing from elders. The Tagalog word pagmamano comes from the root word mano, means hand in Spanish. The second one is harana, traditional form of courtship in the Philippines wherein men introduce themselves by singing underneath her window at night. Harana first began in the Philippines. The practice is believed to have started in the 1980s and was influenced by Spanish folk songs. Third is kasalan. A typical Filipino wedding consists of the following rituals: a candle lighting, a coin blessings, a veiling, the typical of the nuptial cord, as well as the throwing of rice grains. Kasalan is the Filipino word for wedding, while its root word kasal means marriage. Festival. Festival is an event ordinarily celebrated by a community and its religion or culture. The word festival was originally used as an adjective from the late 14th century, deriving from Latin via Old French. Then, bayanihan. Bayanihan is the spirit of communal unity and cooperation of Filipinos. It is also about giving without expecting something in return. Bayanihan or bayanihan is a Filipino custom derived from the Tagalog word bayan for nation, town, or community.